Etipa Ghana had money papa kwa eja good chimpa. Ah yes now no. Obeji be 20 hours. E dia chire nsemu. E your OSP Kissi Agyapong. Office of the Special Prosecutor. Now so ayeshipa na at this moment no. TikTokers together with Captain Kojo Smart any Attorney General abi expose, you know, OSP. Efa Ken Ofori Atta any other members be a OSP be here press conference say o ma bo man ko no watch you ma ba no e be say ntehwe e no o ma be clash with OSP na if I just say they use the most useless man uselessness. The word uselessness no it suits this OSP me man tribu no akere wadwen ama me e wo comment section I Penyah block media mess was any demo over like video no other my subscribe button so na be click the notification icon for the test update na be kire wadwen da ma me e wo comment section mess also ba so no watch for so anya be action 80 out of nowhere somewhere March April mu any we say OSP Kissi Agyapong abia press conference as in a press conference na obobo cases be abegu ni now so and the serious case Ken Ofori Atta omu kire say wa di o man na wu papa Ofori Atta bo man na bro di o man na wu e ma OSP ga say na kwa kwachi Ofori Atta edinaba e ma bobo ne ma bibrebe so ntino wo kire say Ken Ofori Atta a finance corruption scandal be na dey finance e ma OSP e ma Ghana for assurance all day obe link it to Interpol no more day you know Ken Ofori Atta have Ghana I say from there who press conference upon press conference any letters upon letters near the day na OSP or children same any other ama just say osa crowd the better to say 1st June na Ken Ofori Atta ma Ghana hanu a or na ka kofa number azewo but you run November mo nyambo chine you run November mo yantehwe ache emuana Attorney General ebe kan na adwen kire OSP there be as ade a OSP ayen as OSP is trying to shield, you know, Ken Ofori Atta and the just say I said OSP cannot be trusted because according to the state attorney general Dr. Dominic Akutinga Ayini Crowd said there's no case against Ken Ofori Atta. Just a doctor tonight the adimono ade a was say OSP 18 the attorney general on carry on or doctor tonight said there is no any legal case against you know Ken Ofori Atta from OSP. It just say press conference are there na uselessness or we still gonna for time okwa na I know and I was a Captain Kojo Smart and some of the TikTokers have clash with OSP now when is more moka
that was a hit back of the trip or say OSP a hit can say hit
as they say in pidgin levels don't change
and if you look at it carefully I ask myself, say, a day na nanado. Kofa sadi and sadi bray. But no problem, Abba. In fact, so many was Office of the Special Prosecutor. Obin can't in Fasopa. I was.
Mayana Manye.
Yes, say Office of the Special Prosecutor, no, or investigate specific allegations of corruption and corruption-related offenses involving public officers and persons who have been entrusted with prominent public functions, as well as private sector actors. Pacho, yes, say on Shishim, one dream didn't get us a channel for a can adokro, one more Abenya Drum, and one more unconquered room. Pacho, don't want to send which men investigate.
As someone here and someone here.
Yeah, I am one Quran said to you. Look at the structure of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. At 959, then by 2017. Yes, one. Yes, we have Special Prosecutor. That Special Prosecutor, no, or where?
Mayana Manye.
You can't be a Special Prosecutor, or where?
As someone here and someone here.
You can't be a special. It's just a Juma Yadi Ashen and Sano. Where Timia ye, Wayen ye, Emma Nesipi, Emma Mafaja to say, where dear, why are they ye pa? But Nipana Onya Shino, your friend is special.
Emma Penino. I'm Penino Casawa. Who can be this?
How do you call Bema? Sabi Oba on Shadow Bemena.
Wait.
I mean, how? Bema on Shaba. Bema on Shaba. Your friend Bemena.
Okay.
Yay. Friend be men na. It's a nipa no be kwa kotra OSP so say oye pani no. Ye di kind of special na to no. But I be asa office no. Special investigation be no mutimi aye.
Bini oh.
So mutimi ye mpa e ko wie saying. Me, I have said it and I will repeat. Office of the Special Prosecutor is one of the most useless ever created office in Africa.
Bang bang bang.
And it needs to be scrapped.
Bang 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 bang. Bang.
So what's this? The governing board structure no, is a special prosecutor and deputy special prosecutor.
Wait.
And Brana didn't buy and say, SSA audit service. Near member.
When
Auditor General yamu na investigate ade dada. So why don't we task the Auditor General to investigate whatever that we need him to audit?
Ojai.
Yes, see, back ka ho. Ye say Ghana Police Service. Sunko ka ho. Na yemfa yokoni enko ka ho. Financial intelligence for no yemfa omonko ka ho. Shrajini enko ka ho. Na yempa female representative. Omonko yede. Omonko yede.
Ojai.
So, what should I do? A duplication of mandates.
Ojai.
A duplication of mandates.
Ojai.
But winning. They didn't yet shaku fado. Be him say padino be BBO.
When
But see, me person me be attorney general. Embre be anyway bet me aje former president Lefi Akufo-Addo nsem.
say the name akode na beka cho.
E ma peni no.
Achu oh. I know sorry.
Emra emrofo.
Mr. Achu, bibi anyway ye bet me aya even the former president title na da Akufo-Addo so bet me aje fi nsem.
Emrofo agietim Akufo-Addo ba.
Em ye o. Producer. Gwani wo. Produce. What you shan't crack any more, mammy say, law be and maybe a bit me a just a title, do cry if you pay Paddy be president home. Was say Bibiam on one nitty crack was saying on one nitty in the head. The structure of his head crack was saying.
What what
Any poor baby president was say on one nitty, was say on one home.
Oh.
Eh, me you know fe.
Oh.
Me mammy no still Rebecca, me mammy. And I respect her.
What is your name?
So I mean na. Rebecca ho fefefe. Akufo-Addo amemu funti. Rebecca do baby kra dey bo ndi enkrofo nsore mo nsem ma no.
Oh.
Teni ye o. Akufo-Addo suban fun tantan o de be di president nti. Say wunya bo chebi no bia ye ma hye no.
Oh.
Nipa ba akufo be di president o.
Oh.
Wunya bo chebi.
Oh.
Na enkrofo say enkrofo na e ba.
Oh.
Enti
Sorry.
you were fine people wo chebi. You enkrofo a Sabia Bruce Sabia Nyado, where you need papa, and what chebi. Now, she says, oh, chebi Akufo-Addo nti.
Oh, sorry, you lost.
Nipa Akufo be the president. Unyaka achim na samaba near the mafia soso.
Oh, sorry, you lost.
Nipa Akufo, Nipa Akufo.
Oh.
President Odiye, wasay on one ho.
Oh.
Wasay ne yere.
Oh.
Wasay ne kurom.
Oh.
Wasay ne tribe. So ya achim ni. Enti uba achim no bi aye machino.
Oh, sorry, you lost.
Nipa Akufo be the president.
Oh.
On one vice president Baumia, wasay no.
Oh.
Wasay Baumia.
Oh.
Wasay achim for wi asa akwasa esrem. Wasay Baumia.
Oh.
Amena abronya ko gina baabi no campaign kura amba Baumia.
Oh.
Ni aka jo sa fa fi ho. Kare Baumia bo be de jakere de Japan.
Oh.
Wasay no. Wo dia no to nchen a emra na ono ase oye no ya ne kura no. Ba be say Ghana mra.
Oh.
Se bibi o wa ye betimi aya former president title ne fi nsem pa cho mo yan ko hwe. Ne engine fi nsem.
Sorry, you lost the elections.
Yes. The engine finish sa president no kura so former no so no kaya the former MP kura nkaye former assemblyman former unit committee member and the engine president in free
Nana Boachi to remove the third
office of the special prosecutor no it was clandestinely created.
Ojai.
Said that MPP be fi aban mu no nipa otia kodwa no so no on frustrate aban bi obeba me be kire mo wate ase Office of the Special Prosecutor no denti Akufo-Addo ye na me kire wo no o sheda ye de say betna ho na da MPP be fia because na Akufo-Addo nim so mbe bokro no
Ojai.
ye did the 2016 no me ye nim ni timu adwen me ye do 2020 mu sakwa no adwen papa ni tirim
Ojai.
sa na bu no adwen papa ni tirim sa no ne busuafo na ye plan say ye be bo Ghana kro no enti said ye be ya ye bokro no ni wie kura ye ntimi ye hwe no ye create office of the special prosecutor no wa frustrating attorney general from prosecuting our people asom ni nani
2020
enti hwade o for hold on enti hwade say ya me no ka say
Ojai.
enipa wa bo man from pass it to
Ojai.
Ken Ofori Atta moi
Wani.
obi a obedi finance minister say me wo offshore account ewo
Bini. Ow. Ow.
offshore account so bi ka so obi a wo hwehwa wo hu da
Gwen.
so wo ni ma me ka kire
Wani.
personal offshore accounts when I was a what being said then say log in and log in and out our Hong Kong what she share the said then yes uncle bien wo Cayman Island near log in and out what she share the said then sa account no sika wo mu de bia wo bia na ko 00
Ojai.
that's Ken Ofori Atta be the finance minister or convert no so offshore account
Cathedral no de akwa bia so ebesi. Ekwa bia so ebesi.
from 2017 Ken Ofori Atta be di ade as special prosecutor so buy besi ene sem say office no da benda no mo question
Ojai.
Ken Ofori Atta
Ojai.
obi be say identity say mo question Ken Ofori Atta. Let me tell you, when you read Act 959
Ojai.
and this special prosecutor eba ye na yes say the mandate in the back on the say our preventive functions
Ojai.
me pepia me numa facha me call the nation dan kosa office of the special prosecutor no our preventive functions steps to prevent corruption across public and private sector. Office of the special prosecutor in the Juba pa say corruption ne kura de omani mabo on sorry no nkosia no bam ansensi ewo enti yegu banks no na OSP owen
I shall protect the public purse.
yegu bank na OSP no way yay MPP MPs 88
Ojai.
sorry here so one Ken Ofori Atta because enema all ye no say of mine no na OSP no way
Ojai. Ojai.
yay ECG ebo katwitwi die ewo 2019 na OSP no way
What is your name?
yay
Oh. Ojai.
na away
John for and
abobo ya mako 400 yira within 30 minutes our northern region na OSP we hin abobo ya 400 yira 30 minutes omo so omuduru ho 30 minutes no na yetime tutu abobo ya ni nyina afiri ho ye busa minister say wuti mu so omo de wo etwi abobo ya mako 400 na ekọ ho at a time no mo nyina start abobo ya ni engine no at a time no mo nyina tufi ho at a time 30 minutes na abobo ya atumi aye Lexus overtaking it is OSP pesa ochi Ken Ofori Atta pam Ghana for radio ono ani MPs enye MP1 nye 2 nye 10 nye 20 nye 30 nye 40 nye 50 enye 60 enye 70 enye 75 88
Ojai.
MPs are sorry say
Ojai.
akwa ne say o man no
Ojai.
obi a wabo bi 77 billion Bobby says, bonds and Kwa raising $11.3 billion. $11.3 billion. Okay, now there was in the how? You can so an echo. OSP person chicken for that and think I who told you? Next point. Ya to abewie Nana do lose election. Baumia lose. MPP lose. Ken Ofori Atta ne nam krom ha.
Ojai.
Abaina obeba yebeswe ni in no. Chief of Staff says here fencing. Ghana Chief of Staff says.
Oh, I don't know.
Julius Debra. Issue statement. Say, Wubia.
Ojai.
Winim say, Yapo Udin, our corruption related matter be amuno. OSP. O make sure say sani pa don tukwan. Meboa. And then Ken Ofori Atta still on the diplomatic passport to tukwan.
Bibini. Ow. Ow. Bibini any pow. Bibini.
Yeah, two abanu ye no. Ken Ofori Atta ko hospital US. Winim say Ghana na yetuaka.
Ya bosom no bedi wechi.
Ana wonim.
Ya bosom no bedi wechi.
Eban say na MPP fon kwa na omudidi. OSP Atta. Me I sat here and defended him.
Ya bosom no bedi wechi.
Me betra ha defended Office of the Special Prosecutor. Meanwhile, na Paul Adumochiri odi na tem me wa.
Gwen.
Ana mu rafi.
Gwen.
And then na Paul Adumochiri an kan kire Office of the Special Prosecutor. Onu kra de obo Kissi Agyapong din did attempt so a small boy but on me boy and a Canada Japan so on so ya MPP do no o ka kire Ghana for say Kissi Agyapong ne se can some why say na MPP phone kwa na edi Kissi Agyapong atem. The reason was that they had then come to understand say that office was not created to fight for Ghana but it was a barrier to protect certain individuals.
I am the passer. Finally, pressure is being mounted on the OSP to act and act well. Now we just our publicity ne propaganda way of working. No? In as at May, June, no, now also where the Ken Ofori Atta wanted and all that. No, some journalists asked him, "You could try this gentleman in absentia." All the companies involved in this transaction, they are in Ghana. So if you really want to go ahead, and your bias and your drama now person will create with the appearance say, oh, we're not orchestrating for Ken Ofori Atta to come back. Any other a year. Why can't you go ahead and try the person in absentia? The person's lawyers are catching why indicate say they are willing to cooperate. They've told you everything expressly. What you say? Jawahana Samoa Mahama Saada Mahama, of course, a landing in respect of the Airbus case, you know, Ekoyen interview and all that. Why can't you have the same thing for Ken Ofori Atta so on ba? What they are not so evidence, whatever you want, whatever conclusion, it's how the courts. If he will not avail to defend himself, I mean, it's for the court to, decide on the basis. Like kukwasa. Even journalists were telling you, go ahead and try this. Go ahead and do it. Because you want to just make a public spectacle out of the fact, say, Ofori Atta ba, ya cheno, ya yeni saying, and all those things. Now, pressure is mounting. And this is for the Omar Kevin Taylor say, you are the next to go. It's going to be a very difficult one for you. One said, Chief Justice. It's very pathetic. It's very, very pathetic how we have gotten to this stage. Drama. Everybody want to do publicity. How? Charlie?
So the why you mama, comment section. How you Penyah Block Media? Accra.